So, if you want to actually understand how to use the Bitwarden Vault properly in 2026, not just the basics, yeah, this guide will walk you through the advanced stuff step by step. First, start organizing your vault using folders or collections. This helps you separate work accounts, personal logins, and anything else so you don't get lost later. Next, use the search bar at the top. You can quickly find logins just by typing part of the website, username, or even notes inside the entry. Now open a vault item and explore advanced fields like notes, custom fields, and attachments. You can store recovery codes, extra emails, or even security answers here. Secure notes are super useful for storing private information that isn't just a password. Just make sure you only store sensitive data you actually need. Next, go into Settings and make sure autofill is configured correctly. You can choose how Bitwarden behaves on different sites, which makes login much smoother. Now check your Vault Health tools like weak passwords or reused passwords. This helps you upgrade your security without guessing what needs fixing. Finally, make sure sync is enabled so everything stays updated across devices. And yeah, it's also a good idea to occasionally export your vault for backup. And that's how you use the Bitwarden Vault like a pro. Once you get comfortable with these advanced features, managing your passwords becomes way easier and way safer.